In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify the name of your Shopify theme in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify entrepreneur or just starting out, knowing your theme name is essential for customization and troubleshooting. Understanding this information can help you when seeking technical support or when you're simply curious about tweaking the design. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. Once you're logged in, locate the My Store tab. This is your central hub that displays all your key store details and options. It's quite user-friendly. If you're having trouble finding it, just look for the home section when you're in the Shopify interface. This is where all your store management starts. Now moving forward, your next step is to navigate over to the online store section from the Shopify interface. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will open up various options regarding your store's online presence, such as your pages, blog posts, and themes. Here, we're specifically interested in managing and identifying themes. This panel is crucial as it contains all design elements governing the look and feel of your online storefront. Next up, within the online store section, you'll find a tab named Themes. This is where the magic happens. Click on Themes to proceed. On this page, you are presented with a list of all the themes you've used or plan to use. This is your go-to spot for any design adjustments or theme-related updates you might need to carry out. Now on to discovering which theme your store is currently using. At this point, you will see a labeled section, often referred to as current theme, prominently displayed on the page. This area highlights the theme you currently have activated for your storefront. It's designed to be conspicuous, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. This is the theme underpinning the visual and functional elements of your store as your customers see it today. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Right below the current theme header, you will be able to see the name of your active theme. This information is presented clearly, ensuring you don't miss it. Once you have located the theme name, you can take note of it for future reference or proceed with any customization or assistance you might need based on this theme. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to identify the name of your Shopify theme. By following these steps, you'll always stay informed about the core design of your online store. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore more of our content to enhance your Shopify skills. Happy selling!